Look closely at your hair parting. Is it wetter than it used to be? Finding thinning spots can feel truly stressful, but my dear, please don't panic just yet and don't buy expensive chemical either. Look at these three simple kitchen ingredients. We have raw potato juice, egg yolk, and honey. This specific combination targets weak starving follicles. The science behind it will honestly surprise you. Let's wake up your roots natural right now. This is not just random internet DIY magic. There is actual scientific research explaining how this combination block hair shedding and revive weak follicles. First up, let's talk about the star ingredient called potato juice. While this sounds unusual, a report by the Times of India highlights that the regular use of raw potato juice can trigger and restore collagen, which serves as a crucial building block for hair growth. The compounds in potato bind with the oxygen to strengthen your hair strands, directly preventing hair thinning. Next up is egg yolk. A PubMed study found the egg peptide stimulates hair growth. They multiply follicle cells to resist shedding. Finally, we add honey. A clinical trial on PubMed shows that honey stops inflammation. It clears out clogged follicles and impurities. Making this mask is very easy. Let's dive in. Peel and grate one medium potato, but you can use two if they are too small, and it's gonna depend on how much hair you have. Squeeze the pulp through a cloth. You can use cheesecloth or anything to collect 3 tablespoonfuls of juice from that potato paste. Whisk in 1 egg yolk. Use egg yolk, never use white. Add 1 tablespoon of organic honey. Stir until it completely becomes smooth. Some people skip to use egg yolk because of the smell, but science says you shouldn't, okay? There is water-soluble peptide inside the chicken egg yolk, actively stimulate vascular endothelial growth factor or VEGF. This protein is major key to human hair production, multiplying hair follicle cells to generate stronger, thicker strands that resist shedding. Well, potato juice accelerates hair growth and reverses hair thinning by delivering vital nutrients directly to starving follicles. It feeds the scalp to stimulate new strands and prevent baldness. How it fights thinning, okay? It's capable to restore scalp collagen, strengthens weak hair shafts, reduces daily strand breakage, and delivers essential iron and zinc to the hair. How it targets baldness then? It unclogs blocked hair follicles, stimulates dormant hair roots, boosts scalp blood circulation, and prevents premature follicle shrinking. Now, extract fresh potato juice, massage into bald spots, leave for 20 minutes, rinse with a cool water, repeat twice every week. You're gonna thank me later. You will no longer have premature baldness. The hair is going to grow, but do it consistently. Even you can use only potato if you don't have all of them. Well, honey acts as powerful natural humectant to seal in moisture. According to a specialized clinical trial recorded on PubMed, topical application of crude honey drastically improves chronic seborrheic dermatitis and the hair loss tied to scalp inflammation. It clears out follicle clogging impurities while keeping the scalp perfectly balanced. Give this science-backed remedy a try and let me know your results in the comments below. Either you are struggling with a premature baldness or hair thinning, try this potato thing. You're gonna thank me later. I only share with the scientifically proven hair remedies. Let me tell you, my hairbrush used to be covered in foreign hair. My hair parting was getting wider every day. I was panicking about hair thinning and bald spot because my hair length was diminishing day by day. Then I tried this simple kitchen remedy from a friend. It completely saved my hairline for real. In this video, I shared with you the exact natural hair mask that stopped my shedding and made my hair look incredibly thick again. Try it and you will see the results, and be consistent because potato juice is crucial thing in this remedy. We are using real science today, no random internet DIY magic. Okay? Now let's apply it safely. Part here to expose scalp, dab mixture onto root. Okay? As I'm going to show you through my hands, I have been using my hands. Massage gently for 5 minutes. Boost your scalp blood circulation. Smooth the remaining mask downward. Wear a clean shower cap. Let it sit for 30 minutes at least. Here is the golden rule. Rinse with the cold water always. Never use warm water, cause it may cook the eggs that create a nightmare mess. Rinse thoroughly with the cool water first, then follow up with a mild shampoo. Use this hair fall remedy weekly. You will see incredible hair growth. Your receding hairline can recover. Subscribe right now for more natural hair care secret. Comment below with your personal hair goals. Let's regrow your hair together. See you next time, my lovely queen.